Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming your Asus laptop uses UEFI and you have an admin account to change firmware settings. Open Windows Settings, check System About for UEFI. Once done, back up critical files and note current BIOS options so you can revert. Restart into UEFI and disable Fast Boot. If the system used Legacy or CSM, switch to pure UEFI mode now. This prepares the board to accept secure boot keys and avoids OS boot issues during the next steps. You restart and press Del or F2 to enter Asus UEFI. Navigate to Boot Secure Boot and set OS type to Windows UEFI. This ensures the OS expects signed bootloaders. Enable Secure Boot, and when prompted, choose to install or restore factory keys. These are Microsoft keys required for Vanguard's driver signing. Make sure Secure Boot mode is standard rather than custom unless you know how to manage keys. Save changes and reboot to let Windows reinitialize secure policies. You boot back into Windows and immediately run Windows Update and update chipset or graphics drivers so signed drivers match Secure Boot requirements. Then launch Vanguard. The anti-cheat will detect Secure Boot and allow kernel modules. If Vanguard still blocks, check Windows Security Device Security Core Isolation and temporarily toggle memory integrity off and back on to refresh signing checks. If problems persist, revert to your saved BIOS settings and contact Asus support or Riot for specific driver signing issues. Keep logs and timestamps for faster help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.